Well, I am from the nature island of the Caribbean, Dominica. Recently unemployed. Consider myself as a self-driven person, and I am very passionate about helping others.
So you passionate about trading and everything. Do you only trade Forex or like you trading other market like cryptocurrency?
Forex, crypto, and the main one that which I love is indices.
Ah, yeah. So which pair are you
Yes,
trading the most? And this is US 30 or
US 30 and NAS
yeah?
100.
Ah, I like to hear that. I like to hear that. So you a little bit on every market right now, which
But I
is
try not to be too much on every market, but I try to mainly focus on the indices.
okay. I like that. I like that. And how long have you been trading?
For the past 3 years now.
So you're trading for 3 years, so you're a good experienced trader right now.
I would consider myself so, yes.
As you know, the statistics are like 90% of traders losing 90% of their capital in 90 days. So they stop trading after that. So
Yes.
congrats to still being in the trading world after 3 years.
Thank you.
It's very, very, very good. So briefly describe your trading plan and how it's contribute in your success.
Well, my trading plan, I mainly use low risk to high rewards. I always use supply and demand zones, moving averages to get the entries for my trades. And this has helped me greatly because I would never be where I am today. And I always place my stop loss. That's important. You always have to place a stop loss because if a trade goes against you, you could end up just blowing your entire account.
And in the funding program, it's really, really important because you have some rules to respect on the stop loss and everything. So it's a good thing because in funding program, you don't have the choice to use stop loss, right? And playing risk reward trade, I think is the best way to get profitable in this market. So it's very, very nice. And it was the same for me right now. I'm always trading the good risk reward trade. We always want to win more than what we can lose.
Right.
Yeah. So share with us a challenge you faced in your trading career and how you overcame it.
Well, one of the challenges I was having is that when I would place a trade, it depends if it is in positive or negative, I'll be quick to close that trade. And now that I have overcame that, I examine the market, I see how it's going, I do my research, I keep on educating myself. Now I'm in a better position to hold trades for a longer period of time. And in that sense, it is more profitable to me.
So I imagine as a trader, you never stop learning every day. You always want to explore more, learn more, and always be better. This is our goal as a trader because market always evaluating, and we want to follow the trend, follow the market. So
definitely,
it's pretty good, pretty good. How did you adjust risk management in your trading personality?
Well, I simply got out of that scalping mentality. That's basically it. Because of the scalping, you would like hold a trade for 2 to 3 minutes, 5 minutes. But when I look at the price action and the way the market is going, be it that your trade might be in a little negative sometime, that's just a drawdown. But when you let the market play out, you get the big rewards.
So I guess as I hear you trading as a scalper, you scalping the market, or you're more like taking swing trade?
I used to scalp.
Scalp? You like scalping?
No, I used to scalp. I come out of that scalping mentality. I'm more like a swing trader, day trader.
Okay, yeah, same as me.
Yes.
Scalping is way too much emotional for me. It takes way too much time as well because when you scalping the market, you always need to like be there every morning in the chart and never stop, and it's a lot of emotion as a trader.
Yes.
And when you're trading, the goal is not to have any emotion because we are human, and human are not born to be a trader. We are too emotional when it comes to trading. I know it. 8 years of experience right now I have, and yeah, it's the most difficult part in trading is emotion, and control ourselves, be patient with the market, following the market. Pretty important. So yeah, I like that. I like that. Describe, this is a good one. Describe a key moment in your trading career. You know, as a trader, we all have good moment, bad moment. Describe one of your key moments in your trading career.
The key moment for me was passing this 2 evaluation process.
Okay.
That was a key moment of my trading career.